Dear patrons, welcome to Gemstone Universe. Today we are going to show you how to shop gemstone on our website. But before you shop gemstone, remember that the global standard for measuring the purity of gemstones is carat rather than rati, and we deal in carat only. All set? Let's go shopping at Gemstone Universe. We are on our website www.gemstoneuniverse.com. Can you see multiple tabs here? Each section holds its own value and information. Visit any section to know more about it. For now, let's go to Choose a Gem. Here you will find our precious gemstones and upratnas available with us. Move your cursor to the gem you want to buy and click. Let's say blue sapphire. You may sort the listing by its total price, weight or price per carat to narrow down the search to find the gem of your choice. Every gem is displayed with its weight in carats, price per carat, and the total price of that particular gem. Find your gem, add it to cart by simply clicking on Add to Cart. With your click comes the detailed information about that gem with 360-degree view, certificate of authenticity, its origin, and a must-read before buying a gemstone. Once you're satisfied that this gem is the perfect fit for you, choose how you want it. Do you want to buy a loose gem, in a ring, or in a pendant? From the options given. Cost of every article is mentioned for complete transparency. For example, if you want to set your blue sapphire in gold planetary Bhasma women ring or pendant, click on it and click on Add to Cart. Now we are on the cart page that shows the selected gemstone, its details and its price. If you want to add something else, click on Continue Shopping, and if you want to edit something in your selected order, click on Update Shopping Cart and come back to the screen to review everything with pricing details. How would you know about the shipping charges and taxes? You can check it out in the Estimate Shipping and Tax section. This feature allows you to get the final cost till you receive the package. Select your country, state and type in the zip code, postal code or PIN code as per your country norms and click on Get a Quote for final price. There you can see the charges and the grand total that you will need to get your desired and fully natural, unheated, untreated Jyotish gemstone from Gemstone Universe. If you want to add different billing and shipping address, click on multiple addresses and fill in the details. Proceed to checkout. Log in if you are already registered on our website. If you want to purchase as a guest, click on the Checkout as Guest section or click on Register and follow the on-screen instructions to be registered in the community of our patrons. I am already registered, so my details are auto-filled. Now you are successfully signed in to your account on Gemstone Universe. Proceed further to billing information, shipping information, shipping method, and payment information. But here is something important for you to know. If the billing address is of India, then only Indian payment gateway will be visible and the payment is accepted only in Indian currency. No foreign currency payment is accepted for delivery within India. If the billing address is outside India, then payment can be made only via tocheckout.com payment gateway, and the payment can be done only in preferred foreign currency like USD. The payment made in this option is only for export shipments. Fill in all the details and get to the final tab, Order Review, to review all the details of your order. Add comments if any and click on Place Order. Congratulations! A gem is for a gem and you are one. Wish you the best with gem therapy for today and for all the times to come.